Hey everyone, it's Anna here, and today I have some exciting news to share about a fantastic resource for aspiring online store owners called SaleHoo. If you're looking to launch a profitable online business and need reliable suppliers, well then you're in the right place. Stick around because I've got all the details for you in this video and you guys don't want to miss out. But before we dive in, make sure to check out the official website, which I have linked in the description below. That's where you can find all the in-depth information about SaleHoo and how it can help you succeed. Now let's talk about SaleHoo. Are you eager to launch a profitable online store but unsure where to start and what to do? SaleHoo is the solution you have been looking for. With over 137,000 entrepreneurs already using SaleHoo to source winning products, make profitable sales, and upgrade their income, you'll be in good company. So what exactly does it offer? SaleHoo connects you with the suppliers used by the world's top sellers. This means that you can find high quality, reliable suppliers to stock your store with products that actually sell. No more worrying about where to find trustworthy suppliers. SaleHoo has got you covered. Running an online store can be time consuming, but with SaleHoo, you can automate many of your sale processes. This means more time for you to focus on growing your business and less time spent on the nitty-gritty details. SaleHoo isn't just about providing access to suppliers though. It also is an amazing learning platform. You'll get access to expert advice and resources to help you navigate the world of e-commerce. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned seller, there is always something new to learn with the experts. With the tools and resources SaleHoo offers, you can really get your business off the ground, you guys. From finding products to optimizing your strategies, SaleHoo provides comprehensive support to really help you succeed. If you're serious about starting an online store and want to make sure that it's profitable, you guys, SaleHoo is an amazing resource. Don't just take my word for it though. Check out the official website linked in the description below. See how SaleHoo can help you. Check out the reviews and then make your decision. Thank you guys for tuning in, and here's to your success with SaleHoo. Take care and I'll see you guys later.